So now if you see, the carrots
And
have
it's changing its color.
Yeah, colors have changed, and the color has changed to a nice light orangish. So now let's add beans to it. Yeah.
We'll add beans to it. Now it will take time. Now you can add you can add the green chilies if you want.
Oh,
if you want it more spicy.
Right, yeah. So to this, Mahima is adding some green chilies.
It is not, you are not even taking any oil or anything in
Correct.
any masala, because it is very good for your health. That is why I am not adding.
Yeah.
And even it is good, it is good for everything.
Right.
Nutrition will be there, everything will be there, you know.
Right.
I like little of this green coriander.
Yeah.
You can see, no?
Yeah. Now she's adding a few leaves of finely chopped green coriander.
Now we'll keep it for some time so that these beans should become little soft.
Right.
Keep it for some time. These beans will become more soft.
And one important thing is you have to soak poha. And is there a technique, Mahima, wherein we can soak the poha?
You can just take this kind of thing, no?
Yeah.
This kind of thing.
Yeah.
So when you prepare,
you
just put it in that poha. You will get it from the market. You will put it directly and put little in that water. Because the quantity, I will put little. I will take from you. Like this, I am taking.
Right.
So you have to put it here. Okay. And you have to put it in the running water.
Right.
Like this for 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Nothing more than this. But sufficient. You have to check whether it is all the things are wet or not. You have to check that, and then you have to keep it aside for
some
time.
Right.
Then it will dry out. Then you take it out, and you can use it for the poha.
So this is a very nice method. Usually people tend to soak poha and water as though they are soaking rice. But that's a bad idea.
No, because this is this spice. This is actually, the chili is very spicy. You can see, no. So I will not add from the.
So it's a nice, beautiful color combination we are getting here.
These onions actually, it should be cut like this, because when you are going to add, it will give more grace to the poha.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think now it is half cooked only, but it is good actually.
Yeah.
So I am going to add now poha to it.
So it's important you check the consistency of the poha. See, if you could see, it's become dry. Soaked and it's become dry.
Yes,
this consistency is important to make your poha separate.
Yes.
Otherwise, it will become like a paste and it won't be nice to eat.
And one more thing, in market it is available in oven thick and one oven thin. So you have to take only thick one.
Thick one.
Because if you are going to get the thin one,
then that's going to soak and that's going to get soggy.
Yes.
Yeah. Sure.
So I am going to put it now.
Yeah. So now you can see that Mahima is adding the soaked towel into the pan. And that's getting done now.
Now you can add haldi. Now I have to add some also green ingredient, but I have to mix it first. Then I will add haldi.
Okay.
Little haldi, little red chili powder if you want to, because I already had it. That is very spicy, so I am not going to add. Certain if you want, you can add that also. And salt. And I think masala you don't need to add, because we are not making it this spicy food. No, it is just a nutrient. It is just a food. You can.
But in case if children want to, little bit of masala we can add.
Means those who are on diet, no, for them it is the best food. You can have it with any bread, with roti also you can have it. So it is good for you.
Right.
Now let it be little mixed with this, all these things. I see. Then I will add in it.
Right.
One is this. Little of.
So this is the favorite masala dabba.
You can't say no.
Yeah. So
little you can see this spicy, no?
Yeah.
This much you can add, no more than this. So the color should come. That
correct.
Yellow color I'm telling you, no?
Yeah.
That should come. And that's salt. And this salt.
Yeah.
Have to add it. That is also according to taste. Means
Correct.
if you want more, you
Yeah.
can add more. If you
yeah.
want less, some people like less because less salt is good for
Always
health.
good for
actually.
health. You're right.
So you
yeah.
can add little of this. Because I am taking less, so I am making according to that only.
Correct.
So after that,
Yeah.
you just have to mix all the things. And this haldi is one more thing. This is homemade.
Yeah.
I took it from my native.
Acha. So it's a homemade
This is
haldi
homemade
powder.
haldi powder.
I feel it's a great way to have homemade
Thing.
masala powder.
Yes. This is actually homemade. So now everything is mixed.
Yeah. Now it's got a nice yellow color.
Yes.
And it looks really yummy, Mahima.
It will be.
Yeah.
I liked it because vegetables are there.
Yeah.
Everything, even this rice, this
Correct.
beaten one, that is
Yeah.
very good.
Very good.
Very
Yeah.
good for health actually.
So now can we dish it out?
For some time we will put.
We'll keep it.
I will keep it. We'll cover it
Yeah.
for some time, 2-3 minutes,
Okay.
and then I will take it out. Okay. I will cover it for some time.
You're just covering it for a few minutes.
So that the crispiness should come. You can see the crispiness will come in the end, and
Okay.
then I will put it in the bowl.
All right.
We'll
Okay.
put it on top.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we are waiting for the poha to get the crispiness.
Yes.
So let's see.
No school today? So now you can see the color is getting more and more darker.
Right.
Okay. And vegetables are there. You can have it nicely. Even morning oats you are taking. That is also good.
Correct.
But you can.
No, I think always I feel oats alone is not enough.
Not enough.
So you should take some other carbohydrate cereal along with oats. So I think this will be a good combination.
And one more thing, you can put it in the bread. You can make it sandwich also.
Sandwich, correct,
Poha
yeah.
sandwich. So
Correct.
that will be
Yeah,
very
that's a very
healthy.
nice idea.
Very nice, no?
Yeah.
So I'm going to put it in this dish.
So we dish it out now on a into a nice bowl, ready to be served. So it's really steaming hot. Looks very nice.
Okay, no? So you can put the coriander leaf on the.
Wow, that was great, Mahima. Thanks for the lovely dish and all the tips you've given.
Thanks.
So it's all ready to lap it up. Thanks a lot, Mahima.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.